The Zonal Statistics tool calculates statistics like mean, sum, and median within specified zones. For example, you can calculate the amount of rainfall in a watershed, or you could find the average elevation in a region. Needless to say, the use cases for this tool are endless. Today, let's practice with an example using the Zonal Statistics tool in ArcGIS Pro. In our map, the base layer is a soil moisture raster. Dark blue means more soil moisture, whereas yellow signifies less soil moisture. In this map, we also have two zones. We have Zone 1 on the left and Zone 2 on the right. So I'm going to use the Zonal Statistics tool to calculate the amount of soil moisture in these two separate zones. All right, let's give it a try. The first way we can use Zonal Statistics is by generating a table. Go to the Analysis tab. Now click the Tools button. In the search bar on the right, type Zonal Statistics as table. Let's click this tool, but remember you're going to need a Spatial Analyst or Image Analyst license to use it. Okay, so the first input is our zones dataset. In our case, the zone field is also called zones. Next, we're going to add our value dataset, which is our soil moisture raster. Finally, let's just keep all the statistics. And let's just leave the output table name as it is. Okay, let's push the Run button. Well, that didn't take too long. Let's check the result. So as you can see, we have all the statistics in the table for our two zones. It looks like Zone 2 has higher soil moisture, and just looking at the map that makes the most sense. All right, we're going to try the second method for calculating zonal statistics. Instead of generating a table, we can produce a raster dataset as the result. Let's try it out. This time, we're going to go to the Analysis tab again. Now click the Tools button. In the search bar on the right, type Zonal Statistics. Let's make sure we click the one without the table in the name. Okay, so the tool looks very similar to the last one. So the first input is our zones dataset. We'll also pick zones for the second input. Next, we're going to select the soil moisture raster. Finally, let's use mean as the only statistic in our output. Let's push the Run button. So this time the output is a bit different. We have a raster as the output, not a table like before. As you can see, we have the average soil moisture percent in both zones this time. This time you can visually see how Zone 2 has higher soil moisture compared to Zone 1. So this is just another way you can run zonal statistics if you choose to. To recap, we ran the Zonal Statistics tool for our two zones in ArcGIS Pro. We learned how to produce both a table and a raster with summary statistics. We also found out which zone had higher average soil moisture by using this tool. Thanks for watching today. Please like or subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.